name is Thabo and I am a teacher here at Ntsu Secondary School. I'm currently teaching technology, computer applications technology, as well as coding and robotics. Well, today we're only going to talk about coding and robotics. Coding and robotics, I can say it is a subject that tends to give principles of designing and programming in terms of assisting learners to create a program that is going to be able to make our lives easy. Robotics as a subject here at school, it is going to assist many learners in terms of improving their problem solving skills, enhancing their creativity, as well as making use of technology to enhance their ability to make their work much easier. I would also like to give thanks to Kagiso Trust as well as the Department of Education for allowing us teachers to go to training so that when we come back we'll be able to instill the knowledge and the skills that we got from the training.